International Food Day is one of the most amazing days here at Macarthur. It's mainly run by the Year 12, but it's just a day where we all come together and we can celebrate the different cultures and countries we all come from. We all come from different backgrounds and different homes, but the one thing that we all have in common is that we come to this amazing school of Macarthur and we're able to share that gift. And not even that, we get to eat a bunch of food. So let's go. Where are we going?
Vietnam!
Wait, they have their own music?
Playing a riff!
Oh, what are we trying? What are we trying?
We
Show the
got
camera.
some lovely jellies.
Oh, keen. And?
Very nice. Do we want to go across the border? Could we please try the lovely banana leaf and this yellow item over here?
Thank you very much.
They're beautiful. Oh.
Oh. I love how we all just dug in. That's amazing. Zimbabwe!
Zimbabwe?
Oh, we got one left! One left!
One
Who
left.
wants the minced potato pie?
Oh,
Now,
very
for
well.
you, Beck, we have a complimentary Robo's sweet tea drink.
Where are we going, guys? Where are we going? Australian
Do we
food.
want to come to Australia? Oh wait, they have fairy bread!
Here's your Milo that you left here. Oh, look at the technique, the wrist.
Down on the mate.
Hit the gas, sir! Hit the gas! The Egypt stall's right there! No, no bias. Look at how great it looks! Number one! Do we have a... What do I try? What do I try?
Talk to you. Talk to me. Tell me what's going on. Let's go Bangladesh, guys.
Alright, tell us, what do you have?
Shall we start with our mains and finish with dessert? I think so too. One
have
of
a
these
stew,
chicken
please.
pieces. This is the most popular place all of International Food Day.
Jane?
We would love to have a bit of whatever you've got. Just one piece, please. Would we like some Nutella on our fritula? Let's chuck Nutella on it.
Oh, yum!
Yeah, no, it's
Do we
really
have a
good.
fork?
You will.
No, we're not
You
here
do.
for the salad. We're
That's
gonna
really
fork.
Sounds really good. Okay, I'll try this one first.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, Croatia.
Thank you.
Sir, we're here.
We are
We're
ready.
here.
We are ready.
You ready, guys? You need the butter and sugar.
What do you mean? Hold your head.
Rub it in the butter.
Okay, you ready? You ready? A lot of sugar. Here we go.
Alright, ready on three, ready?
One.
Butter.
What about butter? Yeah.
Baklava! Beautiful. Just one of these, thank you. Cheers. Go baklava. You're giving up. Alrighty,
Nama
Bublé.
saya Joy, saya suka siapa?
Saya melakukan makan.
Guys, is this spicy?
We have
can't do it.
sambal
Wait,
and rice. 3, 2, 1.
Yo, that was so good. That was really good.
Okay.
Please. Something on spicy.
Wow.
Alrighty, so for everyone to cool down after that event,
Wait, where are we?
we have a cold item, a South African cold item. How's that? That's really good. Really good.
Wow, that was really good. Thank you.